We'll do about it. Anyway, this review is on my Ranger. Yeah, 2000 Ford Ranger. I done replaced the leaf spring in it. You'll see that throughout this video. Lost a lot of my footage, so I'll walk you through it and you'll see some of it. But yeah, good running truck, 5-speed, 3.0, 4-wheel drive. Anything else? I don't know. New product comes to my house. I try it out. Yeah, anyways, I reach in here and see this shit maybe. So yeah, replaced the leaf spring here, and I had put a new shiny bolt in it. I beat my other bolt up, beat the fucking threads all to hell on it. Didn't even think about it, stuck it back in there. But yeah, I beat the bolt all to hell, and I stuck it back in there and went to thread it back on and realized I fucked the threads up, so I had to get a new bolt. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. These 4 bolts, and of course your other bolt down there on the end, way down there. But how I did it, I just jacked the rear end up, which put tension on it, everything. But jacked the rear end up, the whole truck up with the rear end, set my jacks under the frame, and let it back down, setting on the frame where it took all the tension off the leaves. And of course at that time the wheels were still off the ground. Well, I took this wheel off. You see some of it in the video. But yeah, I took it where it had all the tension off the leaves and took all my bolts loose. Left the jack underneath the rear end, so when I took these 4 bolts off right here. Let me see, can it adjust? Fuck no, it ain't gonna adjust. Let's see. There you go. Took those 4 bolts off. I left the jack under the rear end, jacked up to just touch the rear end as I took them bolts off and let it ease down about ½ inch, enough to let off, let the enough room gap between there. And yeah, I yanked the part out. Of course, it's broken too, and I just pulled it out and put my new one in. I actually end up dropping the rear end as far as I could down, and still didn't have enough room to get the other one up in there. So I'd bring out my second jack up back under there, jack the frame up a little higher, and then reset my stands to get me a little more room in there. And then they're just plug and play. I mean, it really is. Here's what's left of the other one. But yeah, here's the stance of what it looks like now. This was sitting right on the frame. I mean, it broke plumb off. It was sitting low. Truck's actually got a slight bit of height to it. Just a little bit of height there to it. Still ain't decided. I might put a lift on it. No clue. Don't really know what we're going to do to her next, but we got oil changes and shit to do to it and other tune-ups. But yeah, if you want to see this Ranger get a 3-inch lift and a little bit of swampers under it or something, some type of, I probably won't do swampers, be too rough on the road. I'll be driving this truck back and forth to work a lot. But if you like to see it with a 3-inch lift and some 33s, I don't think that's 33 is about the biggest I want to go on that 3.0. I don't want to lose all my damn power. I mean, it is a Ford, for God's sakes. I mean, you can only take so much. But yeah, you want to see this truck lifted, hit that like button and subscribe and give us some feedback, and I'll let you watch the rest of this nonsense of videos I have that's left on this truck I didn't lose. you don't want to watch it, turn it off. Yeah, looks like we got some new neighbors in. Sold that house over there. Yeah, sold pretty cheap. Looked like they're driving a Jeep. They must like working on Jeeps. They like working on cars too. They bought a Jeep. Somebody done replaced the fender. I think it's hitting the front corner. No major damage. Messed up the radiator support bracket. Messed up the hood a little bit. Crinkled the hood down. Good old aluminum hood's not gonna rust, but they replaced the fender. Ugly old mismatched collar. A few bodies rust spots just on these fourth doors back here, these half doors. Yeah, just some body rust there. Leaf spring broke in the back here. Down here to show you. That's what we're probably gonna be working on. So, yeah, let's see. Some macro plumbing too. Frame's actually solid on this one. If that leaf spring broke, I don't know what happened. I think we're gonna have to probably put some brakes and tires on it. Tires are just about wore out. Look about like my Mustang tires. All in all, it's it's kind of dirty inside. There's a little scrubby can't. 5-speed. Like I said, it's a work truck. Nothing too exciting, but yeah. Go over and see what else we can fix on it here soon. Like I said, we'll work on that leaf spring. Try to get it done.